This right here is the bomb diggity Ford Raptor with a cool TDK bumper on the front. 2014, tires are brand new, 6.2 liter crew cab. This one has 76,000 miles on it, just barely. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see that. There, that's a little better. We have navigation on the touchscreen, backup camera, the cool interior that you only get with the Raptor. Tonneau cover on it right there. Looking inside the box you can see. And you have the tailgate step right there as well. Rear TDK bumper as well. Again, tires, guys, look at these tires. They're brand new. I mean, we just put them on. Did some suspension work to it that it needed. Totally refurbished it. Beautiful truck. Again, your interior of the Raptor. We don't get a lot of Raptors in. This is a nice piece, and you could do a whole lot worse. Or my name isn't Nick Skiba here at Snowy Mountain Motors, where I'm selling this Raptor, and you need to come check it out and drive one. They're awesome.